was born in the refugee camp when I 6th grade, and I learned the embroidery at school. Every week on Friday is 30 minutes every week. When I come back home, I try to practice by myself too. When I started the 6th grade, and then because this way I too more interested, and then when I came back home, I cook it from my mom and then finish, and then I try to stitch it by myself. I make only my family. And then sometime with the December, I give the present from my best friend or my teacher too. I like something make it with hand. Yeah, I like something with meat hand. But when I see I stitch it as my hand, it's a lot more good than the machine do it.